Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Gul. If you are struggling to improve your English fluency and to build confidence in your English language journey, so in this journey, my dear friends, I am with you because you are not alone. I am also struggling uh, for about 2 months to improve my English language journey, like to improve my English language fluency and to build confidence in my speaking. So if you are also struggling like me, so this video is just for you. Today I'm sharing some important and powerful tips that will help you to become more fluent and confident in your English language journey. So stay till the end because in this video you will see a great and major change in your English language journey. So let's get started. First step is daily speaking practice. Yes, the first and most important step for fluency is practice speaking every day. Even if you don't have an English language partner, try it to yourself. Like describe what you see around you. For example, I'm drinking a cup of tea or coffee, or the sky looks beautiful today. Simple is that, right? The more you speak, the more confident you become. The second and most important step is think in English. Yes, my dear friends, you heard it right. The second and most important step to fluency is think in English. Stop translating from your native language. For example, if you see a cat, then don't translate this word in your native language. Directly start about cat to think in English. The more you think in English, the more you will become fluent and confident in English language journey. So, my dear friends, always to think in English, even if you see anything around you. So, think in English is the only way to improve your English fluency and to build confidence in your English language journey. The third step for fluency is listen to English. Yes, you heard it right. Listening is the secret way to improve your fluency and to build confidence in your English language journey. Like listen to simple podcast, watch English movies and YouTube contents in English. This will help a lot to improve your English fluency and also to build your English uh, also to build your confidence in your English language journey. So try to listen more and more English content. This will help a lot to improve your fluency. The next important step is learn useful phrases. Yes, you heard it right. Stop memorizing big words. Learning short and useful words like I'm feeling well. Instead of I'm feeling well, say I'm so excited. Yes, this this uh, this useful uh, phrases will help a lot to improve your English fluency and mm, to build confidence in your English language journey. In this modern era, there are different apps uh, uh, which improves your um, English vocabulary and learn useful phrases. There are different apps like TED Talk and Quizlet will make it easier for you. So use different English apps and um, try to learn useful phrases and new vocabulary. This will help a lot to improve your fluency and your English language journey. The last most important step to fluency is read, write every day. Yes, my dear friends, you heard it right. Reading and writing is the most important way to fluency, is the most important step to fluency. Reading and writing actually improves your fluency in a unique way, and it's very simple. Try to read simple textbooks, short stories, and also write it in your own words. Firstly, read and firstly read the stories and read the texts, and after that, try it in your own words and speak and try to speak in your own words. This will help a lot to improve your fluency and to build confidence in your English language journey. So, my dear friends, this step is the most important step for fluency and to build your confidence in your English language journey. So, my dear friends, are you going to take your English up to the next level? Remember, fluency comes with practice, patience, and consistency. So, follow these simple steps for fluency and try to be consistent, practice, and patient. Be patient. This will help a lot to improve your English fluency easy, and you will achieve your goals, and you will build your confidence in your English language journey. So, my dear friends, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you will never miss a new English learning tips and videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.